Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Berge, the Daily Trader. It is November 14th, and we are going to take a look at Tesla stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how you can use technical analysis to make better trading and investing decisions. But I'm not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and make your own decisions. So Tesla is down $5.01. That's 2.56%. Closed at 190.96. Post market, we are down by 6 cents. So let's look at what we have here on the chart. I cannot make this up, so look at today's candle. So basically, it's an undecided candle. There's a longer wick at the bottom than at the top. So this would mean that, well, there's some buying pressure here. But then this is also a red candle. So overall, it's pretty much even Steven, 50% bullish and 50% bearish. And it's right smack on our downward resistance right here. I cannot get more precise than this. Right smack on it. So we cannot break so far. We cannot break this downward resistance. So are we going to continue down tomorrow? I don't know. But the buy signals here is when we break this downward resistance with a good stochastic over 60. And we don't have either of these two conditions. Let's look at the hourly chart. So we started right here today. So we caved in right here. We caved in on the first hour. Then we made another low right here, which allowed me to draw this new support and also bullish channel. This was the old one right here. See, I put it in pale, but this was the old channel right here. This is the new channel right here. And now on the 1 hour chart, we have crossed outside, barely crossed outside on the 1 hour chart, this downward resistance that we were talking about. We crossed it and now we are just right back smack on it. So we are right smack on the downward resistance. This can be seen as support, but we have lost this downward channel, this upward channel right here. This is a bit too precise to really conclude exactly what is going to happen. We are going to have to wait for tomorrow. We have stochastic over 60 at 66. So you saw here, when we made a low right here, we always were above the 60. So now we have broken outside of this support right here, but we have still stochastic over 60. So we are going to know very soon tomorrow what is going to happen right here, if we are going to lose stochastic and then continue down, or if we are going to get back on this upward resistance right here. Going back on the daily chart, stochastic is at 22. So stochastic is still not very good. Stochastic is not really good on the daily chart. And basically, all of our indicators are negative. So we don't have any signs yet that Tesla wants to really start to go up. And if you take a look at my next video about the VIX, Dow Jones and everything, we are going to take a look, and VIX is increasing. So it was coming down quite hard, and we are going to take a look at that in a few minutes. So thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. If you like what I do, you can become a YouTube member. Click on my TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.